Welcome back to the Man Cave. I just thought I'd go through something that will make your car safer to drive and also make it look a little better. The UV rays from the sun actually start to degrade the outer edge of this plastic, and it happens fairly quick, and they start to become kind of clouded over. And when that happens, what it does is it makes that your lights aren't as bright, they don't shine as far down the road, and it becomes a little bit more difficult for you to see, and it also becomes a little bit more difficult for others to see you. And so we're going to go through the process on this car right here. We're going to go through the process of cleaning this headlight so that we get a little bit better lighting out of it. And so we have picked up this Headlight Restoration kit. I have some tape in order to tape around the lights. I have my drill, and I have a spray bottle with water in it. I also have some rags so that I can wipe things down. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to tape around this light so that I don't get into any of this plastic that's around it while I'm polishing it. And I'm just going to use some painter's tape and just go all the way around this. I actually have two separate headlight restoration kits here. They all work about the same, but I like parts of this one a little better than this one. I like parts of this one a little better than this one. So we've got both of them so that we can kind of show you what we're doing. So our kit comes with this wheel right here that will attach to a drill, and it's actually got a Velcro type backing on it, and we can stick our sandpaper directly to that. Now what I've got here is I've got a couple of different grits of sandpaper. That's a wet dry sandpaper. I'm going to use it wet. The first one that I'm going to put on is going to be 800 grit, and what we're going to do is we're just going to start to remove the top surface of this plastic so that we get down to the surface that hasn't been damaged by the sun. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray the light down, and then I'm going to take my drill with my sandpaper on it. Now you want to keep this drill moving. You don't want to set in one spot for very long, because if you do, you're going to wind up with a little bit of a gouge in it. So what we're going to do, we're just going to keep it moving. I'm going to go ahead and sand this down with this 800, and then we'll bring you back. So I've taken one little layer off of this. You can see that it's starting to clear up a little bit, but I want to go ahead and get it a little bit better with the 800, so we're going to do another pass. So now we've got most of the hazing removed from this light, and what we've got left is we've got scratching from the sandpaper. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to a less aggressive sandpaper, and then we're going to sand that down. So we've got a 1500 grit that we're putting on now, and we're going to sand this down. And basically the same thing that we were doing before. So one of these kits has 800 and 1500, the other kit has 1000 and 3000. So what I've done is I've gone through all four of the sandpapers. I'm actually going to do the 3000 right now. And what happens is that that'll make it easier when we start to buff it. Something that I like to do when I'm doing this is to take my light and shine it right across the surface of this headlight. And then I can see any spots that I have excessive scratching in. This all looks pretty equal to me at this point. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this buffing pad, and I'm going to put some of this polish on this buffing pad, and we're just going to polish this light up. The last thing that we're going to do on this headlight is we're going to go ahead and put some sealer on it. Now there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. That one of these kits comes with a sealer that we put on this applicator, and we just wipe it on the light. And what that does is that seals up the plastic to try and keep it from re-oxidizing as fast. There's a couple of other ways to do it. One of the ways is to actually spray this with a clear coat. I'm going to go ahead and use this applicator and spread this sealer on this one. So as you can see, it's improved the look of the car in general, but it's also increased the ability for this car to shine light down the road, giving us a better ability to see at night and make the driving this car much safer. Thanks for spending a little time with us here in the Man Cave. Appreciate you watching our videos. Please hit the like or subscribe buttons, and also leave comments. I will try and respond to your comments, and leave me ideas for videos, and I will try and make them happen.